hold the flame, I hold the storm. We crash, we burn, we both transform. Through every tear, through every fight, I find myself within your light. You are the mirror of my power, breaking walls I built to tower. In the depth of love I see the truth that sets my spirit free.